Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on Lumber Capital Log Yard. Raised garden beds are a popular choice amongst many gardeners because they are easy to maintain and you don't have to kill your back bending over, and in all they just look really nice. So we, as some of you know, we actually make and sell garden bed kits, and so today we have to bust two of them out for a customer and I'm going to show you how we do it. So let's go ahead and get into this video. The garden bed kits that we sell are 10 feet long by 3 feet wide and 2 feet tall. And so at 2 feet tall, this makes it really nice. So you don't have to really bend over. It makes it nice and tall. And so our first step today is we are going to have to cut some of these pieces down to size. We use 2x10s and 2x4s to make this garden bed, just a combination of the two. And so with the 10 inches and 10 inches and then the 4, you get 2 feet. So that's why we do it like that. So first step, cut this one down. Let's get to it. We say that our kits come partially pre-assembled because we do put together the ends, and you see this is what we're going to do next. These are going to be, well, this is going to be one end here. She's going to, yep, so the two 2x10s, the one 2x4, and then we are going to need 4 basically 2 foot long 2x4s there to just put those together. And she's just laying out the two ends here, and we do screw these together so they are in one piece here. Now that we have both of our ends done, we are ready to move on to the sides, and we don't put them together just because they'd be super heavy to handle. These are already heavy as they are, but it'd be just too heavy to handle because it'd be like such a big piece. So we keep them individual, but we pre-drill them. So we're just going to cut off the ends, so we just make it look really nice, and then pre-drill the holes. And that is pretty much it for the garden beds. Now we do include 2 scoops of compost, and you can't forget the hardware pack. We include all the hardware you need to put the rest together. So as far as putting it together goes, you basically just match it up how the ends are. So, you know, there'd be a 2x10 on the bottom, and then a 2x4 in between, and then another 2x10 on top, and it's the same with the sides, so like they match. And yeah, that's pretty much it. 2 scoops of compost is plenty to fill the bed up to the brim, but we do encourage that you also use some potting soil on top, because you're not supposed to necessarily just purely plant in compost, so this does require some amending. But other than that, you're ready to plant. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, of course, if you haven't already. But other than that, I'll see you back here next time.